higit sa lahat para sa sarili mo na natin. Kasi itong pinag-uusapan natin, nandun na. Hinihiling natin kay Allah na ang lahat ng pinagpagulan ng taong itong pinag-uusapan natin, matatamo niya ito ng higit pa sa inaasahan niya, inaasahan ng anak niya, at inaasahan ng mga taong nagmamahal sa akin.
Amin, amin.
At sana, mahihigitan pa ng bawat isa sa atin ang paggawa ng kabutihan sa pakikinig ng mga ganitong mga kwento. So, una sa panalangin natin dyan, lagi natin sinasabi, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim, ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. O Allah, bilang pangwawakas, hinihiling ko po sa pagtatagpo na ito, na kung paano po kami pinagsama-sama sa oras na ito, hinihiling po namin sa inyo na pagsama-samahin mo po kami sa pinakamataas na altas ng Jannatul Firdaus. Kami po at sa po ng mga minamahal namin at sa mga taong nagmamahal sa amin. Gawin mo po kapayapa ang aming bansa at patnubayan at gabayan mo po ang mga nakitunong sa aming bansa. Hanggang dito na lang po. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum jami'an wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Thank you, Imam, for your
Salam.
education. It is my honor to welcome you all to this special gathering and tribute to the extraordinary life of our beloved grandmother, former Senator Santanina Tila Asun. This evening will not only reflect her legacy, but also celebrate the journey back she has had on all of us.
To begin the evening, we have with us, her eldest son, Amrosi T. Rasul, who will deliver the welcome remarks.
Okay. Pag-break. Ano na.
Amrosi, known as Cheng by friends and family, is currently with the Bank of Commerce. Previously, he managed the remittance operations of the PNBA for the entire Middle East and North Africa. Please join in welcoming our Uncle Cheng.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam.
Peace and God's mercy to all of you. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome all. Ahlan wa sahlan is welcome in Arabic. Thank you for joining us today to honor and remember our beloved mother, Nina Rasul, on the 100th day of her passing. It is truly heartwarming to see many family members, friends, and loved ones to celebrate her life and legacy. As you know by now, it is Ramadan, and it's a fasting season for all of us Muslims. And we are delighted that you, especially the non-Muslims, can join us for the breaking of our fast, or as we call it, iftar. Ramadan is a time for reflection. It's a time for cleansing. It's a time for kindness, a time for sacrifice and unity. It is truly special to share this day with all. You know, it is fitting that today is March 8th, that day we are honoring and remembering my mom. March 8th is International Women's Day. And for your information, it was my mother, when she was senator, she was the one who exerted all the efforts to establish this day, March 8th, as International Women's Day. So, as we reflect on her life, let us also celebrate the importance, strength, resilience, sacrifice of women everywhere.